Guys, I'm not kidding. If you seriously implement upsells, you can 10x the amount of profit you make per Facebook ad you put out there, okay? I know because I'm doing it right now. I'm making so much money from literally just implementing this one thing that I'm gonna show you guys. But real quick, make sure you like and subscribe to my page. It would mean a lot to me. Also, if you give me a comment, I'll reply to your comment right away. I reply to every and all comments that you comment down there to, better your dropshipping store or give you my knowledge on anything that you want to know. All right, moving on. So one of the number one ways that you can seriously make more money while in dropshipping is implementing the idea of upsells. I don't know if you've ever heard of the concept of a free plus shipping offer, but the thing about a free plus shipping offer is that you want to break even on the amount of ad spend you spend on the first place. And then everything you sell to the customer afterwards is called an upsell. But everything you sell to the customer afterwards is also straight profit. All right, so this is the one thing that I was able to implement extremely well into my dropshipping business that actually was able to create a lot more profit for me overall than my competitors or anyone else out there that's dropshipping. So if you don't know what free plus shipping offer plus the upsells actually is, stick with me for just a couple of minutes and I'm gonna explain everything. I'm gonna actually blow your mind with this kind of concept because it blew my mind. If I didn't know about it and I remember, and I learned about it, that was crazy. That was a crazy experience of my life. It really took my business to the next level, and this is how it works, okay? So I'm gonna give you an example for my last business that I started. It was a golf niche business. You probably saw it around here. It was a swing guide. So what it does actually is you connect it to your golf club, and it actually allowed you to swing your golf club in a way that helped your overall score and your overall swing. So I implemented this thing called a free plus shipping funnel for this golf guide thing that I was selling to people. I called it free, and then it cost me about $3 total from AliExpress to buy it and ship it out to the customer, so just drop ship it to the customer. And I said that the product was free for the consumer to buy that from my Facebook ad. And real quick, there was a study done. And the study says that if you call something free, you're gonna have 50% more people click on your Facebook ad than if you were to say it was extremely discounted. The word free, it integrates into someone's mind, the consumer's mind, and they end up wanting to click on the ad and actually buy it 50% more than if you say it's discounted or if it's whatever. So if you say it's free plus shipping, it still makes sense for the consumer to click on that 50% more, even though they're still gonna be paying shipping. So I wanna go back real quick. The thing that I bought, it's called a swing guide. It connects to your golf club so that you have like a better swing, overall. And it was super cheap to buy and super cheap to ship. It was $3. But I had them pay for shipping, which was $7. Okay, so it was $7.95, so technically it was $8. If I paid $3, I made about $6 after taxes, or sorry, $5 after taxes or whatever. And I said it was free plus shipping, but I still made $5 on the shipping. But let's just say it cost me $5 to get that customer into my funnel to actually buy that product. And at that point, I'm breaking even. I didn't lose any money, but I sure as hell didn't make any money, okay? But the beauty of an upsell is where you make all of your money. So many people actually stop right there at the free plus shipping. What you want to do is transition to sell them more stuff right afterwards. And what you do in that's possible by telling them to get that free plus shipping offer. They put their credit card information in, and then they buy it. The next page, typically you would send them to a thank you page for thanking them for buying your product. No. Don't do that. It's a big mistake that many dropshippers are making. What you actually want to do is have them move over to the next page in your funnel, which is an actual upsell. And the upsell is another product in your niche. So let's say I'm selling swing guides for golfers to help them improve their swing. The very next thing I'm going to sell them is maybe a golf glove. Because if you know they're a golfer, they're probably going to use gloves to help them golf, okay? This is a common thing they want. I know it because I'm a golfer. I'm knowledgeable in the whole situation that they're in. I'm gonna guess that they're gonna want a golf club. So on the next page, I'm gonna sell them a golf club. They have the opportunity to say yes or no. It's a sales page. You're gonna sell them on that product, but they can say yes or no. The yes will automatically charge them for that product, and then you can ship it out there with a package deal from the free plus shipping offer. And right there, right then and there, you will make a profit because you broke even on the free plus shipping, and then you moved over to sell them a golf club right after because you already have their credit card information. All they have to do is click one button to upsell them to that golf club, and it automatically charges their credit card. And then right then and there, you will make a profit. Okay, but let's just say they say no. You don't need to stop there. You don't want to piss your customers off, but you do not need to stop there. The very next product you're going to use is another niche-related product. Let's say I sell them a golf glove. They say no. I'm going to say, okay, whatever. I'm going to move them over to the next product in line in this funnel, another upsell. Okay, and now I can sell them a putter line tool. If you don't know what that is, you can draw a line in your golf ball so it's an easier straight shot. I can sell them a putter line tool for $10, and let's say it costs me $4 to ship it and buy the product. Right then and there, I'm making another $6 profit if they say yes. Okay, you're breaking even on the front end free plus shipping offer, and then you're moving them down a funnel line, a sales process or an upsell process that will allow you to make more of a profit overall. If you understand and grasp this concept, you will be unstoppable in the dropshipping community. Okay, this is where the big players are making all of their money, and if you can break it down and create it into a science, I guarantee you'll be able to make a couple $1 million in the next couple years. Okay, that's my goal. I'll bring it out to you guys a little bit. I'm gonna make $1 million in the next 4 months. That's my goal because that would be awesome. It would be pretty awesome. And you guys can do the too if you implement upsales. Break even on the front end, make a profit on the back end. Remember that. And oh yeah, by the way, so the thing is that it's really hard to do this kind of deal with a Shopify store. Shopify stores are going broke. Shopify stores do not work. Shopify stores can't implement upsales as easily as a ClickFunnels store can. I'm gonna put a link right below. You can get your ClickFunnels account for free right now. It's a special promotion. You can just get it down right there. But this ClickFunnels account literally allows you to implement upsells super easy for your stores. And it made me a couple $1,000s in the last couple months. It can make you a couple $1,000s in the next months. Let's get it, guys.